HansaBluebox, installation of function unit and trim kit. Turn off the water supply. Cut the box about 1 mm in front of the tile with a suitable tool. Fill the gap between the wall and the box with silicone. Remove the test and flush plug. Mount the function unit with the 4 screws with a 5 mm Allen key. The function unit needs to be in the right position. Note the top mark. Open the water supply and check for leaks. Using a Phillips screwdriver, mount the plate holder with the 4 screws provided. The plate holder needs to be in the right position. In a trim kit without diverter, note the top mark. The plate is held by Blue Click snap fit system. If there are 2 outlets in use, pay attention to the position of the spindle of the diverter stop valve. With a single lever faucet, the spindle should be in the 10 o'clock position, with the thermostatic faucet at 12 o'clock. If the spindle is in the right position, the telescopic part of the handle engages automatically with the spindle of the diverter stop valve by turning the handle after pushing the plate onto the plate holder. Mount the lever in a single lever faucet with a 2.5 mm Allen key. In a thermostatic faucet, put the temperature control handle on the thermostat cartridge. Mount the temperature control handle with the 38°C mark on top. Finally, check the outlet temperature.